Hey again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John the Digital Presence Doe. Today, we're going to dive into a very critical topic, controlling your privacy and security settings on social media platforms to avoid the bad guys and the crazies. This is part of a series, and if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for updates. Let's get into it. Social media has become a significant part of our daily lives. We use it to connect with friends, share our experiences, and stay updated on the world around us. However, it's essential to remember that, like any tool, it can be misused. Your privacy and security are as crucial online as they are in the real world. By understanding and properly setting your privacy settings, you can ensure you're only sharing with people you trust. Why should you care? Simply put, in the wrong hands, your information can be used to scam you, steal your identity, or even worse. But don't worry, that's where we come in. We're going to guide you on how to take control of your privacy. Most social media platforms have in-depth privacy settings. These let you control who can see your posts, personal information, and even your profile. Unfortunately, most people don't take full advantage of these settings. Either they don't know about them, or they feel they are too complicated to understand. Now, you might be thinking, but I only accept friend requests from people I know. Well, unfortunately, it's not always that simple. Sometimes, people aren't who they seem to be online. This is why it's essential to control who has access to your information. Managing your privacy settings can protect you from scammers, cyberstalkers, and people who may want to exploit you or your data for nefarious purposes. It's all about limiting your digital footprint and controlling who gets access to your personal and sensitive information. We'll be diving deep into each major platform's privacy settings in our upcoming videos. We'll provide step-by-step instructions and recommendations for the best security practices. You won't want to miss these, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. The consequences of not properly controlling your privacy settings can be severe. There have been countless stories of people who have lost jobs, been robbed, or even been physically harmed due to information they shared online. Your safety and security online should always be a priority. By understanding and applying the privacy and security settings on your social media, you protect yourself, your friends, and your family from potential harm. In our upcoming videos, we'll be covering privacy settings and tips for platforms like Nextdoor, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even some newer platforms that have risen in popularity. Be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Remember, your online privacy and security are in your hands, so let's make sure they're well protected. Stay safe online, and see you in our next video, where we will delve into the specifics of Nextdoor's privacy settings. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found this information valuable. This is John Doe, signing off. Thank you for watching. Click on the left for our next video or on the right for a video recommended by YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.